Okay, guys, I'm hoping everyone who tuned in to this video is following up from the previous video, and if it's for the first time, this information is still for you. But I do want to apologize to everyone that watched the other video, and because there's a part that I left out, and I can't believe it. It must be because of the hours that I'm working that I totally forgot this piece. All right, so here we go. Take a look. All right, so this is the Hoover Power Scrub, Spin Scrub. Okay, this is based on this particular little setup right here. If you notice it right here, okay. So I'm gonna flip my camera around because I want to show you what the part that I forgot, and it may have diminished the performance a little bit after making this adjustment. And I'll explain everything in a second. Okay. All right. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I have some updates to my previous video, okay? Hey, look, you know, this was a situation that is hitting a couple of people, and it turns out that I had to come up with a solution. My solution has improved, okay? So, so bear with me, all right? Are you ready? Here's the improved solution. Number one, you don't need this long tube here to run all the way down to here. For the ones who understand what I'm talking about, this was because when this breaks, there's no replacement. Okay, so we were trying to figure out how do we save this machine and how do we make sure that you can still clean with it, even though there's no replacement for this unit. Because if without the replacement, what you're going to have is a leak. It's just the moment you turn it on, the water's going to leak out from the side when this pump breaks. But there's two things, two updates that I have for you guys. Here's the first one. Number one, what I would do now, if I'm going to end up remaking the videos though, but what I would do now is cut this tubing right here at this section, and then I will put the stopper. This is our stopper right here, this little piece. I would then put the stopper here. That would allow less of the water to just kind of linger, you know, all the way down here. Because previously all we did was take this off, okay, and add the stopper here, so that just dammed up the water, and then the rest of the water is being used for the carpet. So let's use less water now. I didn't want to put it here because I didn't want that thing to kind of be dangling all over the place. I like this little brace, so I figured if we put it right here, then it will just kind of sit right here. You can do it here too if you like, you know, that's not a problem. All right, here's the other part. Here's the part that I forgot to mention, and I have to apologize for. You see this little section right here? Okay, that is a part of that's suction right there. That's going to, you're going to lose a little bit of your suction, and the brushes won't turn as fast and strong if this remains open. So this has to be closed off. So you can use tape, you know, some good duct tape right over here, because the moment the machine turns on, it's going to pull on the tape. So it's going to strengthen it. Okay. You don't have to worry about it. Don't put nothing light. Put like a duct tape, Gorilla tape or something, and just put it around here. You just want to close off that section because air is going to escape through here. All right, guys. So again, just, you know, again, I'm taking it back. It's one of those things. We all make mistakes, but I am here to correct it. Okay. All right. So, all right. So that's what I'm saying. So cover this up. Okay. After removing this, if it's broken, if it's not broken, leave it alone. But if it's broken and you don't want to just give away your machine and throw it out the trash, you spend money on it, what you do is just cut this little piece here out, put this stopper in that. It'll dam the water up right there, and the rest of the water will just go and feed your carpet. And you just won't have use of your hose anymore. But you wouldn't have use of your machine, period, because this is broken. So that was the idea of the fix. Okay, guys? So hopefully that helps. Okay, and that helps correct some of the mistakes I made on that. I totally forgot about that. So, guys, if this helped you, please leave a like, subscribe. Don't forget. Listen, I'm actually going back through a lot of my old videos. I had some videos that have some music overlay on it that's a little bit too loud. I just have to redo some of this stuff. So I'm going back through my stuff to see what I can improve. And if there's anything new that you would like for me to do, let me know. If there's a video that you really want to see and you need to see, I'll do my best to put it together. Okay? Until next time. Thanks. Bye.